How do you keep your WSL2 Ubuntu install up to date with the latest system packages? Oh, that's easy. I just ran. This is a brand new WSL2 install. I just ran sudo update. It's not as exciting right now because it just ran, but it looked like this a second ago. Big whoop. Now from here we sudo apt upgrade. And look, it's going to upgrade all those packages, make you feel all snuggly and warm inside. And well, that's it. That's it for keeping the base install up to date. Anyway, I suggest you probably should use something else to install system packages, because they're quite old in these Ubuntu repositories, especially a 20.04 install. Yeah, check out Brew, check out even their snaps maybe. I don't know if they must run within WSL2. I don't know. I'll have to investigate that further, but thanks for watching. Keep watching.